Among the most pressing questions faced by modern physics is the question of dark matter. As early as 1884, physicists observing the rotational velocities of galaxies noticed that stars near the edge of the galactic disk moved far too quickly to be explained by the observed mass of the galaxies alone, and could only be explained by the presence of an invisible force which would give the galaxies a much greater mass. Without the presence of dark matter, the rotational velocities observed would slow as distance from the galaxy's bulge increased. The observed rotational speeds at such distance would cause the further stars to be flung off into space, if not acted on by another force. Since the first inferences based on galactic rotational velocity, more unexplainable phenomena have been noticed and explained only by the presence of dark matter. Gravitational lensing, the bending of light around galaxy clusters as the light from objects beyond the observed cluster curves through the cluster's gravitational field, often distorted but still visible. The lensing caused in such images is unexplained by the mass of the foreground cluster alone and must be the result of a much greater gravitational field caused by the invisible dark matter. Another phenomenon is the anisotropy seen in the cosmic microwave background. The unordered pattern of radiation in the CMB has been attributed to dark matter. The theory is that dark matter dispersed randomly at the Big Bang, since it likely does not interact either with itself or with normal baryonic matter. The areas of higher dark matter concentration exerted enough gravity to influence virtually all known matter. Similarly, the layout of the observable universe leads to the same conclusion. The webs of matter throughout space are likely held together by a dark matter skeleton. In the absence of solid proof for dark matter, some physicists have begun examining other possible explanations for these phenomena, such as MOND, otherwise known as modified gravity. While MOND has had success in explaining many of these observations, it has failed in tying them all together. Dark matter remains the only possibility that can explain all of the observed phenomena under general relativity. As of the making of this video, no confirmed detections have been made of the elusive form of matter. However, studies continue around the world as indirect evidence in favor of its presence continues to grow. Thank you for watching. Sources can be found in the video description below.